Okay, so for the final question, we have a child that did this equation. 2 to the square root of 5 minus 4 equals negative 4. And he found 1/4, and we will see if that is correct. So first of all, we want to get rid of this square root symbol. So we do that simply enough by doing it square on each side. So that would give 2 times 5 minus 4x equals 16, because negative 4 squared is 16 because the negatives cancel each other out. So now we have this number, and we just easily put 2 times 5 and 2 times negative 4, which equals 10 minus 8x. So equals 16. So the easiest way to get rid of that is put negative 10 and negative 10. So then that equals negative 8x equals 16. So then we easily do that by saying x equals 16 divided by negative 8. Now, that does not have reason when negative 1/4 cannot be found, because negative 16/8 is close to negative 2. It's not even close to 1/4. Plus, it has to be negative, since it is a negative here and here. Negative 8. In order for x to work, it has to be a negative to counteract the negative 8 in order to reach 16. If we were to try this with 1/4, we can try 2 to the square root of x, 2 to the square root of 5 minus 4x equals negative 4. So 4x times 1/4 is 1. 5 times 1, 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 to the square root is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So the child thought that since it's 4 and equals negative 4, that these two are the same, but it's not, because there's a negative there. And this cannot be the negative. So therefore, even though this child thought it was still 1/4, it is not, because of this negative. If this negative wasn't there, he would be correct, but it is. So therefore, his component will not work. And when his answer really been this. So that is the main difference. Is that he didn't remember that the negative 4 is not the same as 4.